In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use TradingView's arrow tools to enhance your charting skills. Drawing arrows on your charts is not just about visuals, it's a powerful way to indicate trends, mark important price points, or simply keep track of where you last made an analysis. So, let's dive right into the basics of drawing and customizing arrows on TradingView. First, you'll want to locate the drawing toolbar. Typically, you'll find this on the left side of your TradingView chart. It's an essential area housing various tools and is your go-to for adding annotations and drawings to your chart. Within this toolbar, look out for the arrow icon, which signals where you can start drawing. Clicking on this icon will reveal a sub-menu with different types of arrow tools. You have a few options here, including the standard arrow, arrow markup, and arrow mark down. Each serves its unique purpose depending on whether you're highlighting a rise, a fall, or simply pointing something out. Once you've chosen your desired arrow type, it's time to place your arrow's starting point. Simply click on the chart at the spot where you want the arrow to originate. This initial click anchors your arrow's base or beginning. From there, move your mouse to the point where you want the arrow to end. This movement allows you to direct the arrow accurately. When you're satisfied with its position, release the mouse button. This action finalizes the drawing, placing the arrow firmly on your chart. After successfully drawing your arrow, you might want to personalize it further. Right after placing the arrow, you will notice a floating toolbar or a right-click context menu that appears. This is your gateway to customization. By entering the Properties dialog, you can make several adjustments. You can change the arrow's color to match your chart's theme or stand out for better visibility. Additionally, you can modify the line style, choosing from various thicknesses and styles that align with your preferences or needs. Visibility settings are another crucial aspect to consider. In the Properties menu, you can control on which time frames the arrow is displayed. This can be particularly useful if you're analyzing short-term movements, but wish to keep your chart clutter-free on a higher time frame. Lastly, to enhance your trading efficiency, you can even set alerts. This feature allows you to receive a notification if certain conditions are met, such as a price crossing the arrow's line. This ensures you don't miss important market moves even when you're not actively watching the chart. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to using TradingView's arrow tools. By following these straightforward instructions, you'll be well on your way to becoming proficient at annotating your charts, ultimately aiding in clearer and more insightful trading analysis. Thanks for tuning in, and happy charting.